Losing a loved one is heartbreaking.
Navigating what comes next shouldn't be.
Welcome to your step-by-step guide to the New Jersey probate process.
Probate is the legal process of administering an estate, primarily handled in New Jersey by the surrogates court. It is required if an unmarried person leaves over $20,000 or a married person leaves over $50,000 in assets. First, file the original will and a certified death certificate at the county surrogates court to receive letters testamentary. Next, the executor gathers and values all estate assets, settles outstanding debts, and finally distributes the remaining property to the beneficiaries. Keep in mind, this is not legal advice, so consult an attorney for your situation. While every estate is unique, the New Jersey probate process typically takes anywhere from 9 months to a year and a half to fully resolve. Because navigating court filings, creditor notices, and tax clearances can be complex, partnering with an experienced New Jersey probate attorney ensures all legal requirements are met efficiently, providing you with invaluable support and peace of mind. Thanks for watching our New Jersey probate guide. Please like, subscribe, and leave your questions in the comments below.